Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right when it comes to manifesting your desires, but somehow your dreams still seem out of reach? Maybe you've tried visualizing, affirmations, and even journaling, yet nothing seems to be happening. What if I told you that most people miss a few crucial steps when using the law of attraction, and once you understand these steps, manifesting becomes second nature? In this video, we'll break down the law of attraction into 3 simple yet powerful steps that will completely transform how you approach manifestation. Whether you're trying to attract financial abundance, love, or success, mastering these steps will bring your desires closer than you ever imagined. And stay tuned until the end, because I'll be sharing a visualization exercise that will supercharge your manifestation power and help you align with your goals effortlessly. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's start with the foundation of the law of attraction. Thoughts are things. You've probably heard this before, but what does it really mean? Essentially, your thoughts are energy, and everything around you, your reality, experiences, relationships, is a result of the thoughts you consistently hold in your mind. The importance of this cannot be overstated. Your thoughts are the building blocks of your reality. Think about it. Every invention, every piece of art, every life decision starts with a thought. If you constantly focus on negative outcomes, guess what? You're inviting more negativity into your life. Conversely, focusing on positive outcomes and the things you desire brings them closer to you. One of the most famous stories about the power of thoughts comes from actor Jim Carrey. When he was struggling to make it in Hollywood, he wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered. He kept that check in his wallet, and every day he visualized receiving it. Years later, he landed his first major role and received a check for, guess what? $10 million. Jim Carrey understood that thoughts are things. By visualizing and focusing on his goal, he manifested his dream. This concept is not just wishful thinking, it's a foundational principle of the law of attraction. Now that we've explored how your thoughts shape your reality, let's dive into why attracts like is the next critical piece of the puzzle. This understanding is key to unlocking the full potential of the law of attraction, so don't go anywhere. What I'm about to share could completely shift your perspective on how to attract what you desire. The second key principle is like attracts like. You've probably heard the phrase, "You are what you attract," and this couldn't be more true. The law of attraction works because the energy you put out into the universe, your thoughts, emotions, and actions, comes back to you in the form of similar energy. If you are vibrating at a high frequency, feeling joyful, optimistic, and empowered, you will attract experiences and people that match that frequency. This concept can sometimes be difficult to accept, especially when we face negative situations. It's hard to believe that we attracted things we don't want, but understanding that we are co-creators of our experiences helps us reclaim our power. Let's say you want to attract a loving relationship. If you constantly think, "I'll never find someone," or "I'm not worthy of love," you are vibrating at a frequency of lack and doubt. You're actually repelling love from your life. On the other hand, if you focus on feeling love and gratitude for yourself and others, you'll attract relationships that reflect that same energy. It's just like Nikola Tesla said, if you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Like attracts like, what you focus on expands. Now that you know how your thoughts and energy attract similar outcomes, let's talk about one of the most overlooked but vital elements of manifestation, your self-image. If you don't address this, you'll keep attracting what you don't want. Stay tuned, because mastering this next step will accelerate your manifestations like never before. The third step, and arguably the most important one, is your self-image. As Wayne Dyer famously said, "We don't manifest what we want, we manifest what we are." You might be asking, what does this mean? It means that your internal beliefs about yourself are the foundation of your external reality. If you want to attract something different, you have to become the person who is aligned with that desire. This is where a lot of people get stuck. You can visualize and focus on your desires all day. But if deep down you believe you're unworthy or incapable, you'll continue to attract situations that reflect those limiting beliefs. The good news is, once you shift your self-image, the law of attraction works effortlessly in your favor. Imagine someone who wants to manifest wealth, but deep down, they believe they aren't deserving of financial abundance. They might take action, set goals, and even make some progress, but eventually, their internal beliefs will sabotage their efforts. On the flip side, if they truly believe they are worthy of wealth, they will attract opportunities, people, and situations that bring financial success. Changing your self-image is the key to unlocking the full power of the law of attraction. It's not just about thinking positive thoughts, it's about embodying the version of yourself who already has what you desire. You've now learned the importance of aligning your self-image with your desires. But the work doesn't stop there. It's time to explore the science of deliberate creation. This is where you actively co-create with the universe to bring your dreams into reality. Don't miss this part, because it's where the magic really starts to happen. Now that we've covered thoughts, energy, and self-image, let's talk about deliberate creation. This is where you actively take part in co-creating your reality with the universe. The law of attraction isn't about sitting back and wishing for things to happen. It's about taking aligned action that supports your desires. This is where the Law of Goya comes in. Goya stands for get off your ass. Manifestation requires action. When you take a step towards your goal, the universe takes a step towards you. It's a partnership. You don't have to have all the answers or know exactly how it will unfold, but you do need to move in the direction of your dreams. Think of someone who wants to start a successful business. They visualize success, create a vision board, and journal about it daily, but they don't take any real action. No business plan, no reaching out to potential clients, no effort to market their services. The universe responds to energy, and action is a form of energy. Without taking the necessary steps, their dreams remain just that, dreams. The science of deliberate creation shows us that we must meet the universe halfway. When you move toward your goal, you generate momentum, and opportunities start to show up seemingly out of nowhere. We've covered how to actively participate in your manifestations, but there's one more step that can make or break your success: detachment. Without mastering this, your efforts might be in vain. So stick with me, because this next section will show you how to let go and trust that everything is aligning perfectly for you. The final piece of the manifestation puzzle is detachment, also known as the art of allowing. This step is often the hardest because it requires you to trust the process and release the need to control every outcome. When you're too attached to a specific result, you create resistance, which blocks your manifestation. Detachment doesn't mean you stop caring about your desires. It means you trust that the universe has already set things in motion, and that what is meant for you will come in its own time. This faith is crucial to manifesting because it allows you to remain open to all possibilities. Imagine you're waiting for a promotion at work. You've done everything right. You've worked hard, visualized success, and even gotten positive feedback from your boss. But the promotion doesn't come right away. Instead of stressing or obsessing over it, detachment allows you to trust that if this promotion is meant for you, it will come at the right time. By letting go of the when and how, you free yourself from the anxiety of control and open up to new opportunities. Now that you've learned how to let go and trust the universe, it's time for the bonus technique I promised. This powerful visualization exercise will tie everything together and help you align with your desires on a deeper level. Make sure you stay for this, as it will transform your approach to manifestation. As promised, here's a powerful visualization exercise that will help you embody the energy of your desires and align with the law of attraction on a deeper level. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, exhaling slowly. Now, visualize your biggest desire as if it's already happened. See yourself living that reality. If you're manifesting a new job, imagine what your first day looks like. Picture yourself interacting with colleagues, feeling confident and thriving in your new role. Feel the emotions that come with this success: joy, pride, excitement. Hold on to that feeling and expand it within your heart. Now say to yourself, I am worthy of receiving this. It is already mine. Repeat this exercise daily to stay aligned with your desires. Now that you've completed this exercise, let's quickly recap the key takeaways from today's video so you can start implementing these lessons in your life. In today's video, we explored the foundational principles of the law of attraction, from understanding that thoughts are things, to the power of like attracts like, and the importance of aligning your self-image with your desires. We also covered the science of deliberate creation and the art of allowing, showing you how to co-create with the universe while trusting the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your biggest takeaway. I'd love to hear about your manifestation journey and how these principles are transforming your life. Keep believing in yourself, trust the process, and remember, you are a powerful creator. Until next time, keep manifesting and living your best life.